Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to show you how to find the paint code for your Toyota RAV4. I have the driver's side door open, and down here, to cover up some numbers here, in the door jamb, so you'll see right here, you'll see C/TR, and then your collar will be the number 202. And if you look up that number, you type in your search engine Toyota RAV4 paint code collar 202, and it'll come up as black because this collar is black. But so that's how you find the paint code on your Toyota RAV4. This is the 2010. And it's a nice day outside. Just making videos here and just chilling. And I found out how to do this because my buddy, his truck, we're fixing his truck up, and we had to find out his paint code because he had some rust, and he wanted to match up the collar, and he wanted to find the exact paint collar. And on his vehicle, it was a Ford Ranger, 1998, and it was like it said FL. The paint code was FL, and his was actually on the door, the side of the door. The sticker was, and FL stood for. We looked it up when I looked it up, and it was it's like a reddish maroon type collar. But this is black. This is a black vehicle. It's just solid black, and it's really shiny. It's nice. I mean, it's like one of the nicest colors around, in my opinion. I like black vehicles, but black and white, red's okay, and then yellow and green are not very good car colors. But anyway, this is a Matthumanpizza video. And hopefully that helped you. Have a great and wonderful day.